How to enable private session on Spotify. If you'd like to listen without sharing your songs with friends or affecting your recommendations, Spotify's private session feature has you covered. To turn it on, open the Spotify app on your mobile device and tap your profile picture in the top left. Then, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Privacy and Social and toggle on Private Session. You'll know it's active when you see a lock icon, meaning your listening won't show up in friend activity and Spotify won't use it to personalize your recommendations. Just keep in mind this session ends automatically after 6 hours or when you fully close the app. When you're ready to return to normal tracking, repeat the steps and toggle it off. This mode of Spotify is perfect for private listening or preserving your recommended playlists. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.